Hello everyone, today's tutorial we will write a Python program to find average of the given element. So we will first in the program give input. What we give input? Input there is list of the number, list of the element, that is list 1 2 3 4. If you give any elements, any numbers here 5 5 6 7 4, yeah, or any, and output we gives result, that is average of the given numbers. So first we calculate how find the average of the given numbers. Average, that is rules of averages. Average is equal to, we calculate first sum of the given number, sum of the given number. After that divided by the count of the numbers, means list of the numbers. There here is 4 numbers divided by 4. We will here count of numbers. So we will now start our program. There is first step is we will write it, give back, clear all this. After step 1 we will give input, that is input in the program any numbers, that is list of the numbers. After that we will find average. First we calculate the sum of the average, that is second step is find sum of the
we use counter
list
starting from 0, initialize
After that,
from 0.
We will find length of the list. Here is we write 4 5 6, any length, we will count any numbers. After that we will print the output. Here is 4 step in this program. We will now start our programs. We will clear all this. First we will write, here we will give list, that is name of the list 1 is equal to, list is equal to, you give any number, we will write 40 50 50 60 80. Here 4 number we will write. After that second step is I will write sum of the given numbers, sum of the numbers या फिर elements, sum of element. After sum of the elements, here we will use built-in function. Their sum is equal to sum in bracket function. Here function is that list 1. I will write list 1. After that we will write number of length of the given elements. Here length of the given element, length of elements. Here we will another built-in function. There is equal to len, len in bracket. Here we will use counts or list 1, list list 1. Here in this line we will find the counts of the given elements. After that we will find average. How can we find average? Their formula is sum of the element, sum average is equal to sum of the given element, sum of elements divided by length of the elements. We will write second LEN, then of elements. After that, final we will give print output. Here we will write print in bracket, here is T, sorry spelling mistake here, print double quoted text, here gives output of the user, that is average of the given element, average of given element, average of the given elements after the average, AVG. Here the program is very simple, no any critical sentences here. First we will check any program, no any error is here. Here is, after that we will run the programs. Here program is successfully run and the average of the given elements is 57.5. Here we will write any extra elements. In this case we will write 66, 70,